Today we are going to buy sweet strawberries at the big market. I love the market because it has many colorful toys too.
The market is very busy today, so you must hold my hand tight. Stay close to my side, because there are too many people here. Let us find the strawberry man near the big fountain.
Okay, Grandma Rose. Can we buy a giant pink lollipop today, Grandma?
Fruit first, my sweet child. Then we can look at the candy.
Watch out! Heavy boxes coming through the aisle now.
Move to the side quickly, Mia, so he can pass.
Ha! Ha! My basket fell on the dirty ground. Look! A tiny white puppy is walking on the table.
The strawberries look very fresh and very red today.
You are so soft, and your nose is tiny.
Give me one big box of these sweet strawberries, please.
Ha ha! You are a very funny little dog.
Do you want to buy this beautiful toy puppy, little girl?
No, I am with my Grandma Rose today. Grandma? Where are you standing right now?
Ha. Mia? Mia, where did you go? She was right behind me a small minute ago.
Everyone looks so big, and I cannot see the fountain. Grandma Rose, I am over here near the toys.
Mia! Mia! Please answer your grandma.
The market is too loud, and I am very lost now. Excuse me, little girl. You must not stand in the middle of the path. I want to go home to my mother right now. Wah! Grandma Rose, come find me.
I lost my precious little girl in this giant crowd. Did you see a little girl wearing a yellow dress and red shoes?
No, ma'am. There are too many children here today.
I am completely alone. And it is getting cold here. Go away, doggy. I do not have any food for you. Please send my grandma to this corner.
The market is very full today. I must watch for safety.
Officer! Officer, please help an old woman! My 5-year-old granddaughter, Mia, is lost in the crowd.
What is she wearing today, so I can search for her?
She has a bright yellow dress and small red shoes, sir.
Thank you, Roger Whistler.
Attention all units. We have a lost child in a yellow dress.
There's a loading mindset that's 100% machine here.
Who is talking through that loudspeaker machine? Maybe that is my dad coming to save me. The wind is scary and I cannot see. My knee hurts badly and my yellow dress is dirty now.
Sit inside the warm office, ma'am, while I search the lanes.
Thank you, officer. Please find her quickly, officer. She is so very small.
I will find the girl in the yellow dress right now.
I want my mother, Amy. I want my warm home.
Mia, are you hiding inside this section, little girl?
No children have passed through this fish section today, officer.
I must stay here so the monsters do not see me.
Everyone in the market will know her face now.
Grandma Rose called me. She said Mia is completely gone. Mia! Mia! Can you hear your mother's voice? Amy! I am so sorry I let go of her little hand. We will find her together, Mom. Do not cry so much.
Wait, I see a small pink plastic basket near the mud.
Mia? If you are in here, please do not be afraid of me.
The big light is very bright. Go away, monster.
I am not a monster, Mia. I am a helper friend.
You have a beautiful star on your blue jacket, sir.
Is this your favorite pink basket for strawberries?
Yes. My basket was lost on the floor, too.
Let us put a nice blue bandage on your little boo-boo.
Now let us go see your worried grandma and mom.
Yay! My Grandma Rose has a big box of red berries for us.
Clear the path, everyone! The little princess is found!
Hooray! The girl in the yellow dress is safe now.
Goodbye, little girl. Stay close to your family now.
Look! The police officer is carrying our little Mia. Mia! My beautiful little baby is alive!
Mommy. Grandma, look at my new blue bandage.
Oh, Mia. I was so terrified that I would lose you forever.
Do not cry, Grandma. I was just looking at the white puppy toy.
Thank you with all my heart for saving my daughter, sir.
Please take these sweet berries as a small gift from us.
It is my proud duty to keep this city market safe for everyone.
This is the biggest and best lollipop in the whole world.
toss it into the water and make your beautiful wish.
I wish that everyone who is lost finds a good officer friend.
She is a very special little girl with a big heart.
Let us go home and wash your yellow dress, Mia.
We will make a sweet strawberry pie tonight at home.
I love your pies, Grandma. They are very sweet. I lost my grandma's hand in the busy crowd. But the power of love brought her back to me.